I'd love to welcome you to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch-styled home that I lived in for about 16 years before turning it into a short-term rental. It is a nice split floor plan with 2 bedrooms on one side and a full bath, tub and shower. And we have completely updated this property, brand new paint throughout. And we made it a beach themed property, so when you are getting away to paradise, it feels like you're near the beach. This is light and bright and very airy, and just so excited to welcome you to paradise. I should have taken pictures and shown you while we were packing and moving out, because then it was a complete wreck. We updated the kitchen a couple years ago, recently put in new light fixtures as well. The nice pretty blue backsplash, all stainless steel appliances. There's an enormous coffee bar. We've even added to the coffee bar as it is, so there is now a Keurig there. And we have a full-size laundry room in the back, so you can do your washing while you're on your vacation. There is a decent sized backyard which is fenced in. It's all xeriscape with stone. We have a grill outside as well. So if you and your family or friends are staying here, you can welcome to cook out, enjoy the outdoors. There's a swimming pool back there, picnic table, a dining table for 6, and there are bikes in the back, which allows you access to the Legacy Trail for your enjoyment. That is just 1 street away, and you can take the Legacy Trail all the way to downtown or all the way to Venice. You have some great ways to just sit back and relax outside. It's a great area, fantastic neighborhood. We're only about 5 to 10 minutes to downtown, and only about 15 to 20 minutes to the gorgeous beaches of Lido Beach and Siesta Key Beach. And we would love to welcome you to paradise. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. We have been working hard to get this one ready. Excited for our new short-term rental. You have access to TVs in each bedroom. There's a great game closet with plenty of games to enjoy. put some tile in one of the rooms, all new bedding, new beds, new furniture, and updated pictures. So whether you're looking for a short stay, such as a week, or you're looking for a longer stay, such as 1 to 3 months, please let us know. We would love to host you in the beautiful Sarasota Sunset Chateau. So if you have any questions or you have any additional information that you would need, please reach out to me. I would love to answer them for you. Coming from the yachting industry, I tried to make this really like a beach feel vacation home. We have a large office as well, so if you are coming here and are working remotely, there's a great place to set up your own computer with access to high-speed Wi-Fi. And we really hope you come visit or send your friends down to visit our little property in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks so much for watching.
For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get a hold of me, please give me a call, send me a text or an email, and I'm happy to reach out to you to assist you with all your real estate dreams.